The project, located in an art park near the China Academy of Art, occupies the highest terrace of a hillside, set against a large gable with a view of the white building complex below. The entrance is subtly hidden at the end of a U-shaped slope, nestled behind a wall. As you ascend a few steps and turn around, a serene lawn surrounded by three-story white buildings and a square structure comes into view. A path of concrete slabs leads to the entrance, flanked by two extensions, a sunlight pavilion on the left and a side porch on the right. These additions were designed to integrate seamlessly with the original building while enhancing its functionality. On the first floor, the lobby serves as a hub connecting various spaces and providing access to the upper floors. It includes a reception area where the desk, built atop extending steps, feels independent and inviting. Two modular spaces, a classroom entrance and a cleaner's room, are placed nearby but do not reach the ceiling, allowing the expansive ceiling to unify the overall space and create a sense of flow. The sunlight pavilion, built into a trapezoidal gap between the building and the neighboring fence, offers a tranquil space for relaxation, discussions, and gatherings. The pavilion's glass roof, supported by an H-shaped steel beam, cleverly directs rainwater into an inner chamber, forming a poetic scene as the water flows inside. This space provides natural light and ventilation while connecting the indoor and outdoor areas, creating a transparent, open atmosphere. Adjacent to the pavilion is a corridor leading to a meditation room. The design of this path, with varying elevations and degrees of privacy, fosters a quiet, contemplative environment. The meditation room itself is elevated, offering a view of the moss-covered gable, enhancing the meditative experience with lush greenery. This space is ideal for practicing mindfulness, vipassana, and breathing exercises. The integrated classroom on the first floor is the largest, designed for both theoretical lessons and hands-on practices. Its design, with a structural central column and curved ceiling, fosters a calm and centered atmosphere. The staircase connecting all 3 floors was originally steel-framed, but has since been modified to blend seamlessly with the surrounding spaces. The first 2 steps extend into a platform that houses the rectangular reception desk, while the handrail appears to float over the steps, offering a clean, modern aesthetic. On the second floor, a classroom is bathed in soft light, thanks to large French windows on 3 sides that overlook camphor trees. The room's calm, airy atmosphere makes it ideal for stretching exercises, while the outdoor terrace offers an inviting space for yoga on pleasant days. A small bar area provides a place for relaxation and conversation, conveniently serving the terrace. The third floor preserves the striking form of the original steel structure. The walls feature square windows that echo the outer walls, allowing natural light to filter through. The original steel nodes are highlighted as key design elements, serving as a spiritual focal point within the space. In the practice room, a dramatic red wall, recessed along the edges, creates a powerful visual anchor, while the steel structure interacts with it to form a dynamic, endless boundary, enhancing the sense of expansion during practice sessions.